How to access app data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. The Files app serves as a central hub for managing files on your device and in cloud storage. It allows users to view, organize, and share files from various locations, including local storage, iCloud Drive, and third-party cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. Go to the Locations section and go to On My iPhone. You can view all your folders over here. Tap to open any folder from here. You can now view all the files in this folder. You can repeat this to view the files in the other folders as well. Following these steps, you can easily access app data on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.